guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Jade's doll look. As you can see, there are a little off bits in this video, off being these gloves don't match the sleeve of this dress. I was not prepared to cut this dress. And of course, these glasses aren't as neon as Jade's, and this green clip is not as neon as Jade's, but it does the trick, like it gets the job done, okay? A little bit of tone work for my Instagram photo will happen here, but that's between us, okay? So if you want to find out how I created this Jade makeup look, then just keep on watching the video. Thanks guys. So eyes are primed, brows are done, ready to start with this really simple, easy Jade eye. Also, I think I'm getting a sore throat, so if I'm a bit croaky, that's why. So, Soft Glam palette, staple for these bounce back looks. Also, I have screenshotted here this from Heidi's Instagram story, and it tells you exactly what Jade is wearing. I don't have most of this stuff, but I've found substitutes for most of them. I went to my local Sephora, and well, actually two of them, and they both didn't have the Huda Beauty Video Star lipstick. Luckily, I have a very grand Jeffree Star collection, and one will do. Anyway, it's a very subtle look, so we're just gonna do some subtle looks. Okay, so I'm gonna take this JH35 Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with burnt orange right here. And I'm gonna tap away this creasing, and I'm just going to buff out this color. This color's going into the crease, and then buffing it out. Okay, now taking a bigger blendy brush, this is a JH30 brush, and I'm gonna go in with this orange soda color, and this is gonna be like our little eraser, well, not really an eraser, a blender, just to blend the edges so it's not so like, I don't know how to, like, so it's blended on the outside. I don't know how to describe it to you guys. I'm also low-key very excited to have this series of videos finished, because it's like, oh, on the weekend, it's filming time, and what am I doing? A tutorial, and they take forever to do, and these bounce back ones have cost me a lot of money. So I'm actually really excited for them to finish, although I had a great time doing them. So I've got Jade's doll look, which we're watching right now and doing right now, and then I've got Jade's vertical look to do, Perry's vertical look to do, and Lee's vertical look to do. Jesse's leopard look is a look that I'm probably gonna do for LM5 the tour, so therefore it will not be a tutorial. So now I'm gonna just deepen the outer bits of my eye. I'm just going to take this lovely friend right here, the JH36 brush from Morphe. Don't know why my voice just got so high just then, but I'm just mixing colors Rustic and Sienna together and just blending here. And then just going back in with that burnt orange and orange soda shades just to bring back that color a little bit more. Okay, for all over our lid, we are going to take a little, not that brush, we're gonna take this brush. This is a JH41 from Morphe. It's a little like flat brush. Jade seems to have some sort of shimmer on there, and all I know is that she's wearing this palette, so we're just gonna go in with a few of these colors and hope for the best. So I'm gonna go in with glistening first, see if that looks right. I'm just putting this basically all over the lid. Okay, so now that that's laid down, I'm just tapping off any excess, and I'm going in with this rose pink color, because looking at Jade's inner corner, it looks a little bit pink, so I'm gonna take rose pink. I might have to spray some Fix Plus now. That brush. I'm just basically taking this rose pink color, and I'm just running it like I'm coloring in a book with a crayon or something, just so it's natural looking and it's not like, here is the rose pink color. And then back in with a little bit of burnt orange and orange soda, and blend away. We are going to throw on some lashes. Jade apparently is just wearing some Eyelure individual lashes. Never in my days will you see me just wearing individual lashes. No ma'am. So I'm going to throw on some DODO lashes, D316 lashes. They are pretty natural for me, but could be very intense and scary for a lot of you, but they're not. Don't be scared. Oh, you want to see an intense lash? I'll show you an intense lash. That's an intense lash, okay? So I'm going to throw on these really quickly. I'm just going to glue them up and we'll throw on some mascara. Okay, so my mascara is on. I'm just going to tightline my lash line really quickly with just a little kohl pencil. It's just going to make the lashes blend better. The most weird feeling in the world, just so everyone knows. So I'm gonna stick these lashes on, and because we have no liner on, we are going to pray to God that my eyes don't have one bigger than the other, and also that we can get them as close to our natural lash line as possible because there is no liner. So yeah. I'm going to take a little wipey here and just wipe away any of this unnecessary garbage. So we're going to move on to our face because our eyes are done. Would you believe it? So let's do it. I'm gonna throw on some MAC Studio Fix fluid. This is my favorite. I say it in every tutorial. It is a staple, firstly. I'm sure everyone's used it at some point. It's full coverage, takes great photos, it just fucking looks great. Accessible to pretty much everyone. And then taking a little dampy damp beauty blender, so a Morphe one, and pounce this on the face. Okay, so for concealer we're going to go in with Jeffree Star Magic Star. This is shade C6. Usually I use C7, I'm using 6 today. So I'm just going to put this, like always, in the same areas. Tapping it out with my beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty loose powder in shade Pound Cake. I was going to say Pancake. No, Pound Cake. And that same sponge, and then place it everywhere I put that concealer. And then anywhere that I didn't put that Huda powder, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder and powder that on my face. And then once my cheeks powdered, I dust away any of that excess Huda powder. Now to completely finish off the eyes, I'm just going to go back in to this Soft Glam palette and take a little pencil brush. This is a Morphe M431, and just taking Burnt Orange Soda and just running that right under there, just so the eyes like shut. I'm just going to take Glistening and Rose Pink, pop that in the inner corner here, throw on some lower lash mascara. This is Skinny Mini from Australis. Okay, going into my Morphe 8L palette. As always, I'm just going to bronze up the face, taking shades Donut and Debutante. Okay, now I'm just going to contour my face. Safe word from the Androgyny Jeffree Star palette. The best. Jeffree needs to make this as like a single thing. It is so good. Also going to contour my nose using that same shade in a Morphe E62 brush. I'm just going to take a little bit more of this Huda powder and I'm going to bake under there a little bit because I'm feeling it. So usually I don't bake pretty much at all, but today I'm really feeling it. So now that we look so good, we're going to throw in a little bit of blush. So it says that JD is wearing the Tick Tick Bloom blush from LMX, which is this hot pink shade here. So we're going to apply this on, and this is a E4 brush from Morphe. Taking this. Okay, I'm just going to now dust away this bake. Now we are going to apply some highlighter. Rain Freeze from Jeffree Star, this little pro palette, my favorite. And I'm just going to mix Gold Breaker and Frozen Fruit together to give us our glow today. Oh. And then just a little pencil brush, same shades, and highlighting the nose. all that is left to do now is throw on some lips. So when I look at photos of Jade, like this photo of Jade, I don't see any like major lip liner, but then I look at photos of Jade from like far away and it looks like she's got this like purple outline. I don't know, could be my eyes, but I'm gonna throw on this little subtle one I have. This is an Essence lip liner. This is in shade Satin Mauve. I don't know how to say that shade. Correct shade that Jade is wearing is called Video Star by Huda Beauty, but I couldn't find it at any of my Sephora's near me. So I have some colors here. This is the one I wore for Jessie's vertical video one. This is the summer collection from Jeffree Star in Yes Ma'am. Then I've got Diva from Jeffree Star. This is from the family collection, which is a whole lot lighter. And then I've got this Kat Von D one in a Backstage Bambi, which I feel like I'm always wearing Jeffree Star, but like, you know, this is Kat Von D, Jeffree Star. Anyway, but I think I am gonna go with this. So actually, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this, okay. Okay, so this is looking really like dark. So I'm gonna pop this one on top. And this is Yes Ma'am from Jeffree Star. Okay, well, to finish this off, and I will be right back with the completed look. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a giant thumbs up. I'm so happy I've finished these doll looks now because it's been taking a while and a lot of money. I didn't do Perry's full ensemble look or Leanne's full ensemble look because one, Leanne's wearing fucking Moschino, and Perry's was just a little obscure thing to find. That wasn't the exact replica of it. So yeah, but Jade and Jessie's, bitch, we went all out, okay? Also, I'm just doing the last vertical videos and then I'll be done with this series. This has taken me forever to do and it's, like I said, cost me a lot of money. So if you want to see this series happen again for any other music video that's going to happen, that's not already happened, then let me know down below because I will be sure to do that because I've actually had a really fun time making these videos. So that is it. That's all I really have to say. But if you liked it, you know what to do. Thumbs up, leave me a comment down below telling me what you would like to see next. And subscribe if you're new, or if you've seen me a few times and you haven't subscribed yet, you probably should. And I'm sweating. This fur is actually really hot. And I'm wearing gloves and a ring. Yeah, it's all happening. So make sure you follow me, Twitter, Instagram, Spotify, all the places, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bounce the fuck back, bitch. Bang, bang.